Hey guys, good to see you, or y'all are seeing me, kinda. I can't see y'all. And I'm really tired because it's almost midnight and I've had a small group Zoom meeting and I've been with my kids all day. I'm going to prep you for the enrichment assignment for the politics economics section right here. I'll give you guys a follow-up review on a world of ideas, but I want to kind of set the stage for what this unit talks about, and we're living it right now. We've just come out of politics in Unit 8, and now Unit 9 follows up with that, with economics, and what you always find out, it's not a Greek thing or anything weird like that. Just economics tends to be closely tied with politics. One of the things you saw in your A World of Ideas is that generally, if you have economic freedom, you have political freedom because money and power are so closely related in the world we live in. And so with the economics, it has a political impact. And you guys are seeing that right now. Some of you guys are struggling, or at least your families are concerned because of political decisions. The economic health of your home, and definitely our nation, is being impacted. And so we are going to look at some really, really cheesy propaganda videos that were done by the Looney Tunes artists back in probably the 50s and 60s. Maybe even later than that. They look like, if you're wondering why the stuff that you're going to watch sounds and looks like Bugs Bunny, it's the same like animation team. But they did a series of propaganda videos called Make Mine Freedom, Dear Uncle, Inside Cackle Corners, and Best Laid Plans, I think. I'm going to give you 2 to look at Thursday and 2 to look at Friday. Now, they are unashamedly like rah-rah American, super conservative, super free market capitalism videos. I do think for the most part that they are still accurate to what is an appropriate moral way to not only govern people, but to also allow people to take responsibility and take control of their own financial situation. And again, if we're looking at the comparison now of where, some of us are, some families are absolutely having to sit around and wait for the United States government to mail them a check because the United States government told them about a month ago you can't go to work. And hopefully, we're living in a temporary situation, but there are other countries where this is a daily reality. And so we're kind of getting a taste of a very non-capitalist economic system right now. I'm not going to go so far to say that we're living in a communist or socialist economy or a communist and socialist society right now, because our hope is that once we're outside of an emergency like living situation, then things will go basically probably slowly back to normal. But we are kind of getting a taste of this different way of living right now. And so I think these videos, is cheesy, and really they're propaganda films. As cheesy though as they are, they do have some points to make and a lot to say. So watch them. I'm going to give you 2 on Thursday, 2 on Friday. Give me a paragraph per set of 2. So like Thursday, I want 1 paragraph. Friday, I want 1 paragraph. I don't need 4 or 5, whatever. Make it short. It's a 10-point enrichment exercise, but I'm interested to get your take. And ask questions. Because I think you're going to find a lot of this stuff all of a sudden. You're like, wow, this kind of makes sense now. So good luck. Enjoy these. I'll touch base with you guys about your World of Ideas assignment. You'll probably get a video from me. Maybe another one Thursday, maybe even later. I don't know. But I'll touch base with you guys there. If not, we'll go through it next week. Okay. But enjoy these. They're short. Put some thought into them, and tell me what you think. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.